So one of the most important things about the fitment of the cap is the spacing. If you don't gap the cap correctly, it'll make contact with the truck, and that fiberglass versus the paint, fiberglass always wins. So the gapping around the perimeter is really essential for long-term the longevity of the vehicle. I mean, it can easily gouge the paint and create horrible issues. So a rule of thumb is just kind of a pinky around the corner here. And keep in mind, I mean, this is a 200+ pound cap that can move, so it's important to readjust the clamps every 6 months to a year just to make sure they're tight and there's no movement. Yeah, so I mean, one of the things with these caps, you want to get the door to close like a car door. So there's about a 6-step adjustment process that we go through to make sure the door is working properly. And it's doing what it's supposed to do. This is going to be the most used item on the cap, so let's make sure it works right. What I'm doing here is just pulling the glass inward a little bit to get a tighter seal, and of course to make it look right. Now, once I make this adjustment, I change the dimension for the cables. So once I'm all done, I'll make sure that the cable release is equal on both sides. So after we're all done getting everything adjusted, we latch both latches. Let's see what the timing is. This one's a little bit short. One small adjustment here. Test. Identical. There we go. Got nice gapping, equal gapping on both sides. We gotta make a small trim on the seal, clean the glass. But the name of the game with these is you adjust them tight to begin with, because the seals will loosen up, everything will loosen up. If you make it loose to begin with, it'll rattle over time. So when you close it, don't be shy, close it like a door. Usually in the middle with one hand, does it just fine. See the seals sticking around a little bit, so we're just gonna trim this back. Go. Clean her up. Get her out of here. It's about an hour to 2 hours, depending on wiring, adjustments. Some doors fit better than others. Sometimes you've got to adjust things to get things to fit. No piece of fiberglass is perfect, so it's kind of like a fingerprint. Every single one's a little bit different. So being a painted surface, sometimes you're going to run into small, light scratches. The good thing, this paint's pretty fresh, so we can easily hand buff this out with just a little bit of machine polish or machine glaze. There's a little bit. I don't know if you can see those 3 scratches right here.
See if I can get them in the light. I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Do a whole lot of work, but